show you what's on the update in Brookhaven. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so this is the grocery store. We have new cashier and rolls, banana, and blue Doritos, and this merchandise, the fish. This is the dairy, vegetable rice too. And the updated is this one. About to new world again and house and upstairs and race the rock star. So pretty. We have new for girls and the carnivore for girls for boys. And this is the clothes for boys and this is the clothes for girls. That's a new update today guys. That's the update and we have update on our store. Like that. Okay, that's it.